Shopping for clothes is always fun, and trying them on could be as fun. Hello, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will teach you some of the common sentences which could be heard when you're trying on a piece of garment. In Japan, customer service is top-notch, and customers' convenience will always be assured. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。In the following situation, a customer would like to try on a shirt and see if it looks good on him. He will then realize that he wishes to look for more items and end up not buying the current item. I hope that the following sentences will be helpful to you. すみません。この服とこの服を試着したいのですが。This means, excuse me, I want to try on this garment. Notice the use of the word ですが. It is added at the end of the phrase to make it more gentle and show more respect to someone. はい。合計で2点の試着ですね。This means, sure, just to confirm, 2 garments for fitting. Is that right? それでは試着室にご案内します。This means, this way to the fitting room. ありがとうございます。Thank you. こちらの奥の試着室になります。This means, you may use this fitting room. ありがとうございます。Thank you. どうぞごゆっくりご利用くださいませ。This means, please take your time using it. This is a common phrase which could be heard in any shop. Notice the word ませ, which was added at the end. This is to make the expression light. In the situation, ください becomes くださいませ. After a while, サイズやお色違い等はいかがでしょうか? This means, are you satisfied with the size or the color? いかがでしょうか sounds more polite and professional than いかがですか and could be heard when salespersons want to make sure that clothes fit or match the customer's preferences. サイズは合っているのですが、この2つの服はあまり自分に似合わなかったようです。This means, the size fits me, but these 2 clothes don't seem to look good on me. 違う服を探してきます。この服を返却してもよろしいでしょうか? This means, I will try to find different clothes. May I return these? かしこまりました。こちらの服をお受け取りいたします。This means, yes, you may. Allow me to take care of those. ごゆっくりご覧くださいませ。This means, enjoy shopping. Let's look and listen at the conversation one more time. This time without an explanation. This is an example situation and sentences which you could hear and use when you're at the mall and wish to try on an item. You might end up buying it or look for more options which will suit your preference.
すみません。この服とこの服を試着したいのですが。はい。合計で2点の試着ですね。それでは試着室にご案内します。ありがとうございます。こちらの奥の試着室になります。ありがとうございます。どうぞごゆっくりご利用くださいませ。 サイズやお色違い等はいかがでしょうか？サイズは合っているのですが、この2つの服はあまり自分に似合わなかったようです。違う服を探してきます。この服を返却してもよろしいでしょうか？かしこまりました。こちらの服をお受け取りいたします。ごゆっくりご覧くださいませ。
I hope that this episode will be helpful to you once you find yourself in a similar situation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you in our next episode. またね